My dear friend, today we are going to talk about quantitative adjectives. In the previous videos, already we have seen qualitative adjectives. So in those videos we had discussion about qualitative adjectives. There are different kinds of adjectives. Already I have said qualitative, quantitative, number, definite number, indefinite number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, etc. So first of all, qualitative adjective we have discussed in the previous videos about qualities. So we discussed we classified according to our sense organ that adjective which we see, which we hear, which we smell, taste, touch, and mental, judgmental, sense, etc. Qualitative adjective we described according to shape, size, color, etc. like this. But now we are going to talk about quantity. So you must know what is the difference. Quality means how is something. How are you? I am fine. He is good. How is he? He is good. Quantity means what is the substance in that quantity. In Hindi it is called matra. So we are going to see that in what different way we talk about this quantity. Of course there is a little difference between quantity and number also. Sometimes students they confuse between indefinite number, but definite and indefinite number we will discuss in the next videos. But here we are talking about quantitative. So look here how we are going to describe it. For example, the first full quantity. If I want to say full quantity, for example, all. So have you taken all the water? Have you drunk all the water from this water bottle? So this is the use of all. Whole means the complete, full quantity. For example, there is one apple, you can say, do you want to eat the whole apple or will you give me half of that? The whole water means the complete. Here entire, for example, have you painted the entire room, the entire house? Even if this entire can be used as a whole also, that do you want to eat the entire apple? But suitable there will be whole, and the entire village is members of Samajwadi Party. So entire means complete. So these words all, whole, entire, they are used for full quantity. Now second is large quantity. If something much, a lot of, lots of, plenty of, abundant. For example, if we use in, do you have much water in the bottle? In interrogative sentences or negative sentences we say that I don't have much water in the water bottle. So either in negative or in interrogative we use much also for large quantity. We just avoid its use in positive sentences, affirmative sentences. A lot of and lots of both are same thing. I have a lot of water in the but here one thing you must remember that we are talking about quantity, not about number, because there are some words here I am using, they are used as quantity as well as they are used as number. So when I will discuss about number, I will show you the difference also. So I have a lot of water in this bottle, the big bottle. Still there is a lot of water, lots of money. Do you have lots of money? Has he lots of wealth? So either you will use a lot of or lots of, both have same meaning. He has plenty of milk in his bottle. So he has in his pot, he has plenty of milk. Yani bahut zyada, lot of, plenty of milk. Abundant, he has abundant milk. Now we come to the third, small quantity, little. So I have little water in my water bottle. Little means in the negative sense, very little. We cannot be satisfied with that much water. A little, I have a little water which I want to give you. You say a little water. There is difference. Little means very little, very small. A little. You can take a little water from my bottle. Sometimes we use the little. Suppose if I want to say the sentence, the little water which I have in my bottle, he drank. He drank the little water which I have in my bottle. It means whatever little water I had in my bottle, he drank all of it. So this is the difference between little, a little and the little. Very little means a tinge of drops of water. Here I have used little, a little, the little, very little, etc. Number 4, indefinite quantity. So indefinite quantity, some, any, enough, no. They are used for indefinite number also. But here we are talking. Why? What is the difference? Quantitative adjectives are used with uncountable things. Countable, when this same some, any, enough can be used for countable also. For example, I can say that I have some friends in this village. So this sentence is not quantitative. This is indefinite number. But I have some water in my water bottle. I have some milk in my pot. So this is indefinite quantity. Do you have any water in the water bottle? Any is used for interrogative. And I have no water in my water bottle. There is enough water for him to drink. So enough water means much water he has to drink. Fractional quantity, sometimes we use that half of milk you can drink from this bottle, half of milk, quarter of milk of this. You can use quarter of this because 3/4 will be used by others. A part of water you can take. So this is fractional. I am sure that when you will listen this, you will read this, you will try to use them as quantitative adjective, and that will make your speaking more fluent and more clarity will come after using all these words in your conversation.